Hey folks, Lee at Real Rollers, and I want to show you guys if you have a height of cut knob that's a little bit tough to turn, how to solve this challenge. It can happen because debris gets in here, but number one, if you're trying to turn your height of cut and it's really stiff and it's hard to turn, you may have to loosen these pivot bolts on each side of the roller, just maybe a quarter of a turn. There's one right there, and there's one right here. They may be too tight. You can loosen these up a little bit. Just make sure that you don't loosen them so much that the roller's dropping. But if most of the time it's just this knob, and this knob has a hole. If you come close over here, you'll be able to see there's a little bit of a gap in here where dirt, debris, grass can get in. So to make this really, it's super simple. I turn my roller so that I raise the height to at least a ½ inch above where I like to cut. So I'm going to 1 inch. If you look back over here, what that did is it exposed a bunch of threads. All you need to do, take a little WD-40, give it a little hit, wait a few seconds, and then turn your height all the way back to where you like to keep it. And you'll find, just like that, super easy to turn, super easy and smooth. May have to hit this up maybe once a season. Hope that helps you guys out and makes your mowing with the Revolution 26 a joy.